Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Embarking on the journey of car detailing can be a rewarding experience, transforming your vehicle from ordinary to extraordinary. One indispensable tool that can make a significant difference in achieving that showroom shine is a car polisher. For beginners stepping into the world of automotive detailing, finding the right polisher is crucial to ensure optimal results without overwhelming complexity. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Chemical Guys. The Chemical Guys BUF_503X2RQX Random Polisher is a comprehensive solution for polishing all painted vehicles. With a BVR rating of 9.3 based on 223 reviews, this kit is well received by users. It is suitable for use with oil-based polish removers, making it versatile in various detailing applications. Additionally, it is comparable to other products like torque body repair grinders and polishers. This kit offers a reliable and efficient solution for beginners and enthusiasts looking to achieve professional-level results in car detailing. On number 2, BTOA. The BTOA cordless car buffer polisher is a game-changing tool for car detailing, designed to effortlessly eliminate swirl marks and fine scratches. This lightweight and portable device, with a high-impact ABS shell, features a powerful copper motor with anti-interference capabilities. With a high score of 4.5, it offers adjustable speed levels, long-lasting lithium batteries, and a uniform, professional finish for painted surfaces. The cordless design, along with 2 rechargeable batteries and a fast charger, ensures convenience during detailing tasks. On number 1, Adams 9mm. Adams Polishes introduces the 9mm dual-action car polisher, a powerhouse in the realm of automotive detailing. Boasting a robust 1000W engine, this dual-action polisher ensures enhanced efficiency, delivering more power and torque on any surface. The result? A car detailing process that is not only easier but also significantly more efficient, producing swirl-free, scratch-free, and debris-free results. In conclusion, finding the best car polisher for beginners is a crucial step toward achieving professional-grade results in automotive detailing. As we've explored various options, considerations, and features, it's evident that the right choice can make a substantial difference in the ease and quality of your detailing endeavors. For those venturing into the world of car polishing, a balance of user-friendly design, versatility, and effective polishing capabilities is key. So guys, this was the video about the best car polisher for beginners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.